Welcome to dotcom builders. In this video, I will share with you how to create a privacy policy and terms and conditions pages and add them to the footer of your website in Hostinger Website Builder. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log in to your Hostinger account. Then go to websites. And next to your website built using Hostinger Website Builder, click on this edit website button. This is my website in Hostinger Website Builder, and to create your terms of service and privacy policy pages, just go to Pages and Navigation. Then click on this Add Page button. And now scroll down from this left side menu in this pop-up page. As you see, you can create a privacy policy page, a refund policy page, and even a terms and conditions page. Let's start with the privacy policy. Click on it. This is the template that Hostinger Website Builder gives you. Click on it. Now fill in your company details to generate a privacy policy that you and your customers can rely on. Let's go with Ben's tutorials. Let's say this is my company name, my website name is this one, and the email address is this. The text generated by this tool is not legally binding. When using it, you agree to the terms of this disclaimer. View more. This is the disclaimer. The accuracy of the document template on this website is not legally binding. Under no circumstances will Hostinger be held responsible or reliable in any way for any claims, damages, losses, or expenses, and so on. Read this paragraph carefully, and after that, click on this Add Page button. Now, this is your new privacy policy page. It was automatically added in your header navigation menu. Let's read it. Let's read the first part of it. Blade and Brush. This is my website name. Is owned by Ben Tutorials. This is the company name, which is a data controller of your personal data. We have adopted this privacy policy, which determines personal information we collect. Why do we process your data? Your rights. Your email address is added here. Links to other websites, information security, legal disclosure, and contact information. Same thing, your email address is added here. Now let's publish this page. Click on add. Or before that, let's continue creating the terms of services page. Same thing, go to Pages and Navigation, click on Add Page, then scroll down to Terms and Conditions. Click on it, select your template, fill in your company name. This is my website name, the website address, the email address, and same thing. The disclaimer is added here, you need to read it. After that, click on Add Page. And this is your new terms and conditions page. Welcome to Blade and Brush. These terms and conditions outline the rules and regulations for the use of my websites. This is my website's name located at this web address. This is the terms and conditions for cookies, license, hyperlinking to our content, content liability, reservation of rights, removal of links from our website, and the disclaimer. Now, these privacy policy and terms and conditions pages are not yet published online. To do it, click on this update website, and let's view my website live. This is the privacy policy, and this is the terms and conditions. Before we continue, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Hostinger Website Builder Masterclass online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger, templates and branding, editing page content, menus and navigation, advanced layout features, contact and communication, e-commerce setup, blogging, SEO, analytics, and site management. To get access to all of this today for free, plus my other online courses about Hostinger web hosting, or Hostinger Horizons. Just visit this page academy.dotcom.builders and you will see how to join and get all of this today for free. Without any further ado, let's continue our video. And this is the terms and conditions. Now, before seeing how to add links to these two pages in your website footer here, first let's learn how to delete them from this navigation menu. To do it, simply go back to your website builder and go to pages and navigation, and here drag and move your privacy policy page from the menu to the hidden from navigation here. This is the hidden from navigation section. Same thing for the terms and conditions. Now, just like that, they are not appearing in your navigation menu. Always update your website to not lose your editing. Let's check that. The pages are not appearing here, or they are hidden from the navigation menu. Now let's see how to add them here in the footer of your website. Now log into any page of your website in Hostinger Website Builder and scroll down to the footer section or the bottom of your website and click on add element. Drag and move this text element like that, and let's rewrite it. For example, privacy policy, select your text. In my case, I will go with the white color. I will resize this to 16 like that, and instead of using two text elements, I will go with a single one, and I will write terms and conditions. Now I will add links to my privacy policy. Luckily, I kept the terms and the privacy policy links accessible from this tab. In your case, if you don't have them, just go back to pages and navigation, scroll down here, click on these three dots, make sure this is, or remember that you are working on the terms and conditions page. Click on page URL, and this is your terms and conditions page link. Copy it like that, close this window, double click this, select terms and conditions, and here add a link. Or my bad. with Hostinger Website Builder, just select your text here and go to the link icon, make sure to select page, and here select your terms, your correct page. You can select between opening this link in a new tab or not. I prefer to keep the same tab. Click on save. Same thing for the privacy policy, select text, click on a link, make sure to select page here, and select your page from this list. Where is the privacy policy page? This is it. Click on save. Don't forget to update your website after this, and let's view this website live. This is my website home page, and this is the footer. If I click on this privacy policy page, I jump to the correct page, same thing. And these two links will appear on every page of your website. And this is how to create your privacy policy and terms and conditions pages and add them to your website footer in Hostinger Website Builder. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.